Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about these two products, these are the Matrix So Silver Total Results Shampoo and Conditioner. So I've dyed my hair for about now 2 to 3 years. I always do a balayage, and I would always get recommended these products for my hair. I wash and condition my hair with these once a week. And these are great because they're super moisturizing for my hair, and they also tone the coloration of it, because you know how blonde sometimes gets dull. This is also good for silver hair and blonde hair. And they also smell great, and I find them really moisturizing for my hair. So if you want to try a new purple shampoo and conditioner, I would definitely give this brand a try. I've been using it for about a year, and I absolutely love it. It's also, as I mentioned, super moisturizing, which is super important when you have dyed hair. Also great for fragile thin hair, and it's not that heavy of a formula, so it's not making your hair dense, you know how some shampoos do that, and I just don't really like that. So I would definitely recommend trying these out, and yeah, give them a try.